Water damage restoration. Water restoration can be as simple as vacuuming up water and drying out a room. Or it can involve rebuilding entire sections or your home. What goes into water restoration? Restoring your home to livable, pre-damage conditions involves water removal, decontamination, and drying. In cases of water damage, it's important to act fast. Standing water and moisture create the perfect environment for bacteria and mold. Prolonged exposure to an environment like this can lead to allergic reactions and even disease. Parts of a water-damaged home may need to be rebuilt. Materials like drywall and carpet that have absorbed water often develop bacteria and mold that can't be removed. Replacing these materials is safer than allowing infectious organisms to saturate the air. Materials that may need to be replaced include walls, floors, shelves, clothing, drapery, ductwork, heating and air conditioning systems. The water restoration process. Repairing a water-damaged home involves a process starting with a thorough inspection of the damage to the replacement of flooring, walls, and ceilings. Step 1. Inspection. A professional can best assess the extent of water damage in your home. Each inspection determines a class and category of water damage. Defining the class and category of water damage helps outline the best means to restore your property. Classes of water damage. Class 1 damage involves part of the room that has absorbed little moisture. It's the least level of